This app in Shopify will generate your revenue by 1000%. Hello, myself Hardik Patel from eComHardy.com, and this is the part 11 of how to create an e-commerce website with Shopify. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your marketplaces and start selling your Shopify products to your marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, etc. So here I am on the Shopify dashboard, and if I go to left hand side apps, click on apps here and click on apps and sales channels, click to Shopify App Store, and here search for the app called Marketplace. And once you search, and you will find out this app called Shopify Marketplace Connect. Simply click to open it. It is free to install. Additional charges may apply. For the charges, you can refer to this pricing page or pricing section here. First 50 marketplace synced order per month are free. 1% fees per additional synced order are kept at $99 per month in US dollar, which is good. Yeah. So simply click to install this app. Once the app is installed, it will show up here. Simply close it, and on the left hand side you can see the app here. If you don't see the app here, simply click on apps here and click to open. Once you click to open, you can pin the app here to connect any marketplace like eBay or Amazon. Simply what you have to do is simply click on connect marketplace, and you have 4 options to connect to: eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and Walmart. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to connect to eBay, but the process is simple. It's the same as connecting to Etsy and Amazon and Walmart. So let's get started. Simply add new connection. Once you click on add new connection, eBay will pop up in new browser. Simply add ID and password. Once you enter the ID and password, it will connect, and the next screen will show up is this one. Now what you have to do is you have to go through the checklist. Simply go next. Check out if you have any products connected already on eBay. You just have to link it. If you have fresh Shopify store and fresh eBay store, nothing will show up. Simply 000. Go next and edit in Marketplace Connect. Next, you can choose the relevant options here. Finish. Once you finish it, you can upload the logo here. Simply choose the file and upload the logo. You can also preview the template. It will show you how does the template look like with the current product on Shopify when you upload on eBay. So the logo will pop up here, and it will show you something like that. You can publish the changes to eBay after making changes here. Also, when you scroll down, you can update the eBay defaults. You can also make the changes to sync price and sync quantity, stock level, and make the relevant changes on these options as well. You can choose either eBay policies or your own policies from the Shopify. So if you don't want to go with eBay policies, then simply untick this option and simply go with the Shopify policy, how you're going to ship, in how many days, also free shipping or extra cost shipping, etc. You can add the warehouse address here. This is the fake address, by the way, but you can add the real address so it will sync to your Shopify store. And once everything is done, you simply go to the listing section here, and under the listing, if you want to list any products, it will show you all the products are inactive because it's not listed yet. But if you want to list any product on eBay, what you have to do is, or similar to Amazon or Etsy, Amazon is a bit tricky. You have to first list on Amazon and then just link the product from Shopify to Amazon. But with Etsy would be the same, Walmart would be the same. So simply click any product you want to list, and once it opens, so this is the single listing type. Once it opens, you simply select enabled, so listing enabled, and also make relevant changes here. I want to increase the price to maybe 10% of my Shopify price, and also round the figure to 0.95. So if the Shopify product price is 23, it will be listed as 25.95. Same with stock level. I want to go with maximum quantity only 2. So on eBay, it will be showing max quantity available would be 2. Now scroll down, based offer if you want to enable or disable. Also domestic shipping, if you want to provide free shipping, simply flat. Standard parcel delivery 00, that means free shipping. If you want to offer express shipping for extra cost, simply select, and by the way, this is the domestic shipping, simply select the relevant option. In my case, like Australia Post Express parcel, I want to charge $15 and additional cost like $10 for express post. If you want to allow local pickup as well, you can always select the local pickup, simply local pickup 00, and then save changes. Also scroll down, here would be the handling time. 1 day would be okay, good for you. You will get more orders if you set the handling time less than 2. First shipping method free, yes, but up to you. You can, if you already have defined the shipping methods here, you don't have to touch any of these options. And if you want to ship it internationally, you can always tick this option and set the shipping rates for international locations. So you can always choose the locations like worldwide or just specific countries like Europe, Brazil, Canada for maybe $40, something like that. If you want to go with, you can go with. In my case, I don't want to do anything. Return accepted, yes. 30 days return money back policy, yes. Buyer paid for the return postage. And you can also add the return policy description here in short if you like to. Item location address would be warehouse address. You can enter here, postal code and everything, country code. And shipped location, this is for return purposes as well, so you can add this information here. eBay description, if you want to define and provide different description on eBay for this particular product, you can always add this description here. And template, if you have any specific templates, you can select that, but I will go with default template. Brand Chickimicki will keep the same, and eBay condition would be new if you are selling new products on eBay, and everything else would be as it is. So done for it. Once you done so, like enabled, you just simply click on save and it will start listing your product on eBay. By the way, I don't want to list this product on eBay, so I'll just disable and save or just go back. Now this is the single product listing, but what if you want to list multiple products at once on eBay or Etsy? What you have to do is simply go to select bulk edit and simply select the products, all products if you want to, or if you want to go with specific products, you can always select the specific products. Or if you want to go by the collection, you can always click here, sorry, not there, click here, and you can always choose the collection. So specific collection products, if you want to list, in my case, I want to list craft supplies only, done, to my eBay store. So I just select all these craft supplies, simply click enable, update, and then go right. Price would be 10%. In your case, could be 20%. I don't know. It's up to you. Nearest would be 0.99 or 95 or 1, up to you which one you want to go with. Update. Max quantity would be 2 in my case, but in your case, max quantity would be 3 or 4, whatever. Then go right. If you go right here, basically it will provide the same options as you got in the single product listing page. If you don't see any of the options you are looking for, you can always tick these, and here you can add or enable the options, relevant options like shipping domestic services. I want to add second and third services as well, so simply I do so. Now handling time, I can do 1. Big changes, best offers disabled. I don't want to allow customers to send me the best offers. Standard parcel delivery would be 0. In your case, cost type would be flat first, then only you can change the services. Now standard parcel delivery, which is free delivery, basically I'll go with 00. That means free shipping is provided. And you can go through all these options here, and that's how you can make changes. And then once you made all the changes, you can simply click save, and this app will start listing these Shopify products to eBay store automatically. That's it. That's what you have to do. Once you get the sale, simply click to, let me leave the page here. Basically, when you get the sale, basically it will automatically sync all the sales to your Shopify store. But if you don't get any sales synced properly, then you can always go to this option, orders, and you can always click import, and that's how you can import the orders from eBay to your Shopify store. Now these are the orders from the other stores, but these are the past orders, so I have to say anything. Also in the future, if you want to relink the products, you can always go to the settings here, and under here you can see the link listings. If you have any listings show up here more than 0, then you can click always that option and check out the listings which are matching, approve all, and then match the listing record. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the shipping rates for domestic and international from the Shopify itself. And that's how you can manage the domestic pricing as well as the international pricing, and both shipping rate would be different. So don't forget to watch that video. Don't miss it out. It is very important. If you enjoy watching this video, guys, please subscribe to this channel if you are here for the first time, and thumbs up to this video if you like this video. Please comment me in the comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Don't forget to click the bell icon after subscribing so you will get notified fast. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care. See ya.